Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 7 passive income streams that you can make lots of money. If you've been looking for ways to generate extra income while minimizing your active involvement, then you're in the right place. Before we start, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Now let's dive right in. Number 1 on our list is affiliate marketing. This is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. For example, you can create a YouTube channel or Instagram handle focused on product reviews, where you recommend items and include affiliate links in the video description. Every time someone purchases through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The key is to choose products or services that align with your audience interests and provide genuine value. Moving on to number 2, we have print-on-demand services. This is an increasingly popular way to generate passive income by creating and selling custom-designed products online. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring allow you to upload your designs, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service on your behalf. You earn a profit for each sale without worrying about inventory or upfront costs. For instance, you could design unique t-shirts with catchy slogans, appealing graphics, or niche-specific themes, and market them to your target audience through social media or a dedicated website. Next up, we have dividend investing. This is a classic form of passive income that involves purchasing stocks that pay regular dividends. Companies that distribute dividends share a portion of their profits with their shareholders, providing a steady stream of income. For example, you can research and invest in dividend-paying stocks of reputable companies in industries like finance, utilities, or consumer goods. Over time, as the company grows and increases its dividends, your passive income also grows. Our 4th passive income stream is rental properties. Real estate has long been a reliable source of passive income, and it continues to be a popular choice for investors. You can invest in residential or commercial properties and earn income through rental payments. For instance, buying a property and renting it out to tenants can provide you with a monthly cash flow. Of course, there are considerations like property management and maintenance, but with proper research and due diligence, rental properties can offer a steady and scalable passive income stream. Our 5th passive income stream is digital products. In the age of the internet, creating and selling digital products has become an excellent way to generate passive income. You can create ebooks, online courses, stock photography, music, or even software applications, and sell them to a global audience. For example, if you have expertise in a specific field, you can create an online course, sharing your knowledge and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once you've developed the product and set up the sales process, it can generate income for years to come without much additional effort. Coming in at number 6, we have peer-to-peer lending. This innovative method allows you to earn passive income by lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. Instead of going through traditional banks, borrowers can access loans from individual lenders like yourself. You can earn interest on the amount you lend, and the platform handles the repayment process. However, it's important to thoroughly research the platforms and borrowers to mitigate risks and maximize your returns. Finally, at number 7, we have cryptocurrency staking. Cryptocurrencies have gained tremendous popularity, and staking is an excellent way to earn passive income in this digital realm. Staking involves holding and staking your cryptocurrencies in a wallet or on a specific platform to support the blockchain network's operations. In return for your contribution, you earn additional coins as a reward. This process typically requires you to hold the cryptocurrency for a certain period, further incentivizing long-term investments. And there you have it, our top 7 passive income streams. Remember, passive income doesn't mean zero effort, but it allows you to generate income with less day-to-day involvement compared to traditional active income sources. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which passive income stream you find the most interesting. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.